يلا. الطريق هنا The road here is really rough. It's not easy at all. Oops. You can just risk raise your back because you might hit something. It's really close to me, so I can't walk unless on my knees. Here is the other link of the chambers. This one is closed. I don't know what this leads to. I totally lost my way. I think this might lead up to the entrance. If I remember correctly, this one is supposed to lead us this way, lead us to the burial chamber. Yeah, this is the Portuguese system. This is how they closed the entrance. Okay, now let's go to the burial chamber itself. Yeah, this is the second burial chamber, which leads to the this is the second burial chamber, which is in the western side. Yeah, here it is. This is the ceiling of the second burial chamber. And this is the burial chamber. And these are the wooden beams that were used by King Senefru to support the blocks of stone. This cedar wood has been living here since 2000 years old, which is pretty amazing, and it shows you how hard is the wood, Lebanese wood, the Lebanese cedar wood to be more specific. And this is the ceiling of the burial chamber. It's supposed to be corbelled, but this is what was left from it. And this is what was left from the burial chamber itself. Now let's go back. I don't know how, but I'll try to. Okay, now see you back. Goodbye. See you later.